inner peace, and mental clarity are essential for navigating life's challenges and staying grounded amidst the daily stresses we encounter. When the mind is clear and at peace, decision-making becomes easier, focus sharpens, and we move through life with greater confidence. Affirmations are a powerful way to shift your mindset, helping calm the mind and bring about focus and clarity. By repeating these affirmations, you send positive signals to your subconscious, helping to reprogram thought patterns toward a peaceful and clear state of mind. Affirmations for inner peace. I am calm, centered, and at peace. Inner peace begins with a calm mind. No matter how chaotic the outside world may be, this affirmation helps remind you that peace is always within your reach. By centering yourself and calming your mind, you create an inner sanctuary where peace can flourish. I release all tension and allow my mind and body to relax. Tension and stress build up in both the body and the mind, often without us realizing it. This affirmation encourages you to consciously release any tension you are holding on to, whether it be from stress, anxiety, or overwhelm. By doing so, you create space for relaxation and peace. I trust the process of life and know that everything is unfolding as it should. Often, our anxiety comes from trying to control outcomes or fearing the unknown. This affirmation reminds you to trust in the flow of life. When you release the need for control, you allow inner peace to take its place. Life is unfolding in its perfect timing, and by trusting the process, you can move through life with more ease and serenity. I am creating a space of peace and calm within me. Peace is something that must be nurtured. By affirming that you are actively creating a space for calmness within yourself, you signal your intention to cultivate peace in your life. This space is one that you can return to at any moment, no matter how busy or stressful things get. I let go of everything that is no longer serving me. Holding on to old patterns, thoughts, or fears can create inner conflict. This affirmation helps release anything that is weighing you down, allowing room for peace to flourish. By letting go of what no longer serves your growth, you make space for healing and serenity. Affirmations for clarity and focus. My mind is clear, sharp, and focused. A clear mind is essential for productivity and decision-making. By repeating this affirmation, you remind yourself of your ability to clear away distractions and focus on what's most important. This mental clarity leads to more effective problem-solving and a stronger sense of purpose. I release all cluttered thoughts and make space for clarity. Our minds can become cluttered with worry, overthinking, and distraction. This affirmation helps clear mental fog, allowing you to refocus your energy on what truly matters. By releasing mental clutter, you create a space for clarity to emerge. I am in control of my thoughts and can direct my focus where I choose. Mental clarity often begins with conscious direction. When you acknowledge that you are in control of your thoughts, you empower yourself to focus on the present moment and on tasks that align with your goals. This affirmation helps you strengthen your ability to stay focused and aligned with your priorities. I embrace the present moment with a clear and open mind. Much of our mental fog comes from worrying about the past or future. By affirming your presence in the here and now, you allow clarity to rise naturally. Focusing on the present moment helps reduce anxiety and sharpens your attention to what's happening right in front of you. I trust in my ability to find clarity, no matter the situation. Even in moments of confusion or uncertainty, You have the ability to find clarity. This affirmation reminds you that clarity is always within reach, no matter how complex or challenging the situation may be. Trusting in your ability to clear your mind brings confidence and calm to every situation. I prioritize my time and energy on what truly matters and let go of distractions. Distractions are everywhere, but mental clarity comes when you focus on the things that align with your core values and goals. This affirmation serves as a reminder to let go of distractions and direct your energy toward meaningful tasks, creating space for clarity and productivity. Affirmations for balancing peace and clarity. I am at peace with where I am, and I trust the clarity that comes from stillness. Inner peace and clarity often go hand in hand. When we are still and calm, clarity naturally follows. This affirmation helps you find peace in your current situation, and it reinforces the idea that through stillness, clarity will come.